Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the rich and diverse world of Chinese cuisine, where flavors, aromas, and centuries-old traditions collide. But that's not all. We'll also uncover some fascinating and lesser-known facts about Chinese food that will leave you hungry for more. So, grab a seat, because we're about to embark on a culinary adventure. China, a land of over 5,000 years of history, has an incredibly diverse culinary landscape. From fiery Sichuan dishes to delicate Cantonese dim sum, each region boasts its own unique flavors and cooking techniques. But did you know that Chinese cuisine can be divided into four main culinary traditions? They are the Lu, Shandong, Yue, Cantonese, Chuan, Sichuan, and Su, Jiangsu, styles. Each style has its own distinct characteristics and ingredients. One of the most interesting aspects of Chinese cuisine is its emphasis on balance and harmony. Traditional Chinese meals are designed to include a variety of flavors, colors, and textures to create a harmonious dining experience. The concept of yin and yang, the balance between contrasting elements, is deeply ingrained in Chinese cooking. For example, hot and spicy dishes are often paired with cooling ingredients to maintain equilibrium. Now, let's talk about the famous Chinese cooking technique, stir-frying. This high-heat method is not only quick but also preserves the natural flavors and textures of the ingredients. The secret to achieving the perfect stir-fry lies in the wok hei, or the breath of the wok. It refers to the smoky and charred flavor that results from the intense heat and constant movement during cooking. Chinese cuisine isn't just about the food, it's a way of life. Tea, in particular, plays a significant role in Chinese culture. It's not just a refreshing beverage but also a symbol of hospitality and respect. Traditional tea ceremonies are an art form, where precision, grace, and the appreciation of tea leaves take center stage. As Chinese cuisine evolves, modern chefs are pushing boundaries and blending traditional flavors with contemporary techniques. Fusion cuisine has gained popularity, resulting in delightful culinary creations that blend East and West. From Peking Duck tacos to green tea-infused desserts, these innovative dishes reflect the vibrant spirit of Chinese gastronomy. Before we wrap up, here's a mind-boggling fact. Did you know that chopsticks, the quintessential utensils for enjoying Chinese food, have been used for over 5,000 years? That's longer than any other eating utensil in the world. It just goes to show the enduring legacy of Chinese culinary traditions. And that's a wrap on our journey through the flavors and unknown facts of Chinese cuisine. We hope you've enjoyed this tantalizing adventure. If you're craving more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next culinary exploration. Until then, remember, good food knows no borders. Happy eating!